If you want to tidy up your Instagram profile without losing any posts forever, there's a built-in option that lets you hide them instead of deleting. Let me show you exactly how to use it. Start by opening the Instagram app on your phone and head straight to your profile page. Once you're there, tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From here, choose Your Activity. You'll find it listed just below the Archive option. Inside this section, scroll down until you see Posts and tap it. This will load all of your uploaded posts in one place. Now, to hide posts, tap on the Select option at the top right of the screen. Go through your list and pick any post you'd like to remove from your public profile. For example, you can select multiple posts at once if you want to clean up faster. After selecting, tap the Archive button at the bottom of the screen. Those posts will instantly disappear from your profile, but don't worry, they're not deleted. They're safely stored in your archive and can be restored anytime you want. If this guide helped you, be sure to like the video, subscribe for more tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss the next tutorial.